Good morning. How's your day, guys? Well, I'm great, and I hope you great too. I'm Chandra from Oriana International Hotel School, majoring culinary. Today, I need to tell you how to make grilled chicken pan with honey ginger glazing. Do you know about this food? If you don't know, well, I will tell you about this food. Grilled chicken with honey ginger glaze is a fusion food made from chicken with honey ginger glazing, combined with pickle salads, Indonesian sambals, and served with steamed rice. Next, I have any ingredients. There are ingredients for spice stock, ingredients for honey glazing, honey sauce, ingredients for Indonesian sambals, ingredients for pickle salads, and any ingredients for grilled chicken. I make this food because I like grilled chicken. But now, I need to challenge myself to make new recipe and use other technique for cooking this food. So, I make grilled chicken with honey ginger glazing. So, let's check it out. First, prepare the utensil and ingredients, and I have any utensil such as saucepot and lid for made space top, grill pan for roasting candle nut and coriander and grill the chicken, water jug for place the water, grill brush for glazing, and bowl for pickle and garnish. Then I have plate for place all ingredients. I have cutting board for cutting all ingredients, and I have tablespoon and teaspoon. Tablespoon for tasting the food, and teaspoon for add seasoning. I have knife for cutting all ingredients, wooden spatula for sauteing, and the tongs for grill. And for serve food, I have dinner plate, dinner spoon, and dinner fork. And this I made from banana leaf. It's used for the sambals and honey glazing.
Then for the ingredient spice stock, I have red chili, galangal, ginger, garlic, salad, turmeric, candle nut, and some coriander. Next, I have pepper, sweet soya sauce, brown sugar, lemongrass, lime leaf, bay leaf, and some oil for saute the spice stock. For Indonesian sambals, I have red chili, salad, lime, tomato, shrimp paste, chili, and some oil. And then for honey ginger glazing, I have butter, chopped celery, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and honey for main ingredients making the honey ginger glazing. And for honey sauce, I have butter, chopped celery, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, honey for main ingredient sauce, and salty soya sauce. And for pickle salads, I have vinegar, some lettuce, salad, some chili, and next cucumber and carrots.
For seasoning, I have sugar, salt and pepper, and mushroom broth. I think all utensils and ingredients is complete, so let's cook it. First, make the boil water for boil the chicken. Waiting until boils. While waiting the water boils, let's make the garnish. I have tomatoes. I use tomatoes for garnish. And now I made roast flour from tomato. After the skin tomatoes peel, let's make the flour. You must carefully with this. After that, stream. Oh my god, it fails, but it's okay. And then put into bowl and add some water. It's fine, right? After that, put into refrigerator. After the water boils, put salt and put the chicken. After that, close the boils water with chicken, waiting around 5 minutes. And then roast coriander and candle nut. I use 1 candle nut. Guys, I think I'm wrong. I think the time around 1 minute, only 1 minute. After that, take it and put into bowl. Then turn off the stove. After fragrance, turn off the stove. And then put into grill stove. And then put shallot, onion, ginger, galangal, turmeric, and red chili. Then snip until a little smooth. After a little smooth, okay, let's heating the pan, heating the sauce pot, sorry. After that, pour a little oil. Next, take it the spice into saucepan. Let's saute the spice stock. I think need some oil again. Next, stir well. Sauteing until the smells good. After the smells good, then pouring the water. After that, add some bay leaf. I use 5 bay leaf, and I use 5 lime leaf too. Brown sugar, lemongrass, sweet soya sauce, add some seasoning, salt, pepper, and mushroom broth. Stir well. After that, take the chicken, put chicken into spice stock. Then stir, waiting until the spice stock boil. Let's simmering the spice stock until a little thick. While waiting the spice stock, let's make the sambals. I have shrimp paste, tomato, salad, red chili and chili, after that knead until a little smooth. Let's frying the sambals. Heating the stove, heating the pan. Add some oil. And then put the sambal into frying pan. Frying the sambals until the smells good. Don't forget to look the spice stock. Check the texture. After the smells good, add some seasoning, salt, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of mushroom broth, and sugar. I think the sugar around 1 tablespoon. Stir well. After that, add the lime juice. Then stir well. While waiting the sambals ready, don't forget to taste a little bit salty. Okay, I need to use sugar again. Stir well. Until the smells good and the colors good, and until the sambal's ready, let's take the sambal into plate. After that, cleaning the table work before you continue to the next step. Let's make the honey ginger glaze. I have butter, frying pan, turn on the stove with medium fire. Add some butter and melt the butter. Stir until the butter melts. After the butter melt, turn off the stove and put butter into plate. Next, I have butter, put into bowl. Chop onion, chop celery, chop ginger, three tablespoons of honey, after that stir well, and the honey ginger glazing ready. Next, let's make the honey sauce. Heating the pan, add some butter, chop garlic, chop celery, stir well, stir until the smells good. The smells good, add honey, salty soya sauce, a half of teaspoon, add some pepper. After that, the honey sauce is ready. Turn off the stove. Add honey sauce into bowl. Don't forget to tasting the taste. It's good. Next, let's make the pickle salad. I have cucumber, this teaspoon for strain it. Let's cut the cucumber. After that, take the cucumber, put into bowl with water, with mineral water. And then I have carrot, same with the cucumber. I peel, you scoop. After that, cut with knife. And then cut same like the cucumber. After that, put into bowl. And then I have chili. Put chili into bowl. I have salad. Cut salad into macedon. After that, take it, put into bowl. And then add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Stir. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt. After that, stir well. Next, put into refrigerator. And then cut lettuce into siphonade cutting. After that, put into plate. After that, let's cleaning the cutting board and wash the teaspoon. And then let's washing the utensils. Next, I have ladle to check the texture of the spice stock. I think it's enough. Turn off the stove. After the stove off, next put chicken into plate. And then heating the grill pan. After that, pour some oil. Put lid on the grill pan. Don't forget to add the chicken. Flip the lid. And then flip. Next, glaze with sauce with spice stock. Take lid and put into cutting board. Let's glaze with honey glazing. After that, turn off the tissue, pat lid into tissue, and drain the oil. After that, cutting the lid. Then add the tissue, take the grilled chicken, pat grilled chicken on the tissue. Next step, let's plating. Finally, the final step is plating. So, I have lid. Take lid on the plate, and I have steam rice. Take the steam rice. Yeah. After that, take the chicken, the grilled chicken, on the lid, glaze with honey sauce, only a little. I have pickle and romaine lettuce. Put romaine lettuce on the pickles, blend it, and add some salad pickle beside the grilled chicken. Add the garnish. It's a fail garnish, but not problem to use it. Next, add sambal on the banana leaf. And then add extra honey sauce on banana leaf. Next, let's plating. I have fried salad. I buy this at the street market. Put on the steam rice. After that, take the lime, extra lime, beside the garnish, and then let's creaming the plate. Well guys, my food is ready, and next let's cleaning my table. So guys, I'm with my Chagya, Iren. Iren, would you like to try this food?
Yes. Can you help me?
Sure.
What is it?
This is the honey sauce.
I wanna try to honey sauce.
Sure. What's the taste?
The honey taste is great, and
Thank you.
I feel it's sweet.
Yeah.
And I wanna try to. What is it?
This is Indonesian sambals,
Okay.
and you can add lime juice into Indonesian sambals a little, or a little lime juice at the chicken.
What the purpose add to lemon lime?
I think the taste a little bit fresh. So let's check. How's the sambal?
No spicy. I think.
Yeah, because I only add three chili and some red chili.
Nice. I think this food is very delicious.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, I with Limade and Simba. Limade, would you like to taste my food?
Yes. Pengen aja.
Sure.
Susah tapi. Nice.
Thank you.
What is name now? Sudah ikut.
The name is grilled chicken pan with honey dressing and pickle salad.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now the time for I try my food. I need to try my salad. My salad is nice. It's fresh and crunchy and a bit sour, but it's nice. Would you like to taste, guys? The taste lit with honey sauce is balanced. I like this lit with honey sauce. It's balanced. It's balanced. It's balanced, but a little bit oily. But it's okay. It's nice for me and for all. Thank you. So guys, I think this is enough, and this is my food. Thank you for your attention, guys. If you have any comment, don't hesitate to comment me. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.